Yo, what's up guys, it's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin because Bitcoin will indicate what the market is doing, guys. And if we look at Bitcoin right now on the 1 hour, I'm on the 1 hour here, guys. We had this pump, okay? I didn't expect that, sure, but it doesn't matter that much because it didn't make a new higher high. We still have a lower low and a lower high here, right? This is not a higher high. Could it pump? Yes, it could, of course. Anything can happen, guys, and you need to be prepared for that. But look at this 1 hour. Look at this big Ichimoku cloud that we have ahead of us, right? This is a big resistance. We also have the 100 EMA. Do I think it will go further down? Yes. I personally think we will go further down than just what did we get to 6.1. I mean, it's just not. I don't think we're done yet. Okay, guys. It's that simple. Looking at the 1 hour as well, look at this MACD, okay? This is like kind of making a turn here, right? So if it turns down, well, then we're most likely going down, you know. And let me just turn the MACD off now, because that's all you have to see on that. On the 1 hour, I mean, if we actually get above, like in the cloud, then I'd say maybe we'll go bullish, right? For a while. But for now, I just don't think so. Okay, because when we zoom out here on the 4 hour, you can see we're obviously in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend, guys. Okay, this is just a little relief pump, and I mean the 4 hour it resets the RSI. Same for the 6 hour RSI and the 8 hour RSI. They all get reset a little bit here, which is just a thing that needs to happen for it to drop further. Now, like I said, guys, it can definitely pump further up, okay? We can definitely still go further up. So, just have your stops ready. Do not get wrecked. If you want to place a trade, well, personally, I always go with the trend. Unless it's at a 618. This is not at a 618, guys. It went through it, you know. It went through the 618 all the way 786. So, you know, this is just normal, right? Normal behavior. And yeah, so unless you're at the 618 close to it, then I'd say maybe you can try for a trend change like we were here. You know, we were at the 618 back up, but right now I'd say play with the trend that the trend's down, so look for shorting opportunities. Okay, that is how I look at this. Also, guys, if you look at the RSI, we're close to, like, you know, we're at the upper area again, so it has quite a lot of space to fall again, right? So if this falls, you want to be in this short, right? Let's say, you know, this is hypothetically, but if it falls, then you get a 3.5%. It's that simple. So we honestly don't know what's going to happen right now. Okay, this is it's a kind of not really even a pattern. People call it Bart Simpson, right? The memes. That's just a meme, guys. Nothing more than that. But we honestly cannot say. So what I'd say is, what I personally do is I just go with the trend and I'm going short. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. It's that simple. Okay, I always stick to my stops. I do not move them. You know, you lose some, you win some. All right, let your losers be small, let your winners be big. That's what I can tell about that. So looking at 4 hour here, so we obviously have this RSI reset here, like I said before, in the 6 hour, so we can easily drop again. Okay, so I just want to take you guys back to what was it over here? Okay, it dropped here. People thought we were done. RSI went all the way up here again, and then we dropped further, right? And it went here. RSI went up again, you know, reset basically, and we dropped further. And that's kind of what's happening right now, right? RSI goes up again, and we can drop further. So it's more than it's kind of just the RSI reset. And on the 4 hour as well, as you can see, we wicked to the 21 EMA here and went a little bit above it, but never closed above it. So unless we close above that, I'm definitely not bullish. And I'm looking for shorting opportunities. It's that simple, okay, guys? It's just that simple. So yeah, that's the update I have for you guys, right? My target's still the same, in between 6 and 5.8k or so, maybe even lower, but I wouldn't, you know, try to look for lower personally. Okay, so yeah, my targets are still the same, plan is the same. I had a little stop as well, of course, when I was sleeping. You know, when we pumped back up here, I mean, it happened at 11 a.m. I wasn't awake, so I got stopped out, but with a good profit, right? I mean, what was it, like 6,440 or something that I reshorted this? So, and I got stopped out at like 6,230 or something like that. So that's still a 3% profit, guys, and that's a lot on the margin trade. Margin trading is way different than regular trading, and you guys need to be aware that you can make a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot of money. So keep your stops very small, and yeah, keep your profits. You know, let them actually go, right? Let them fully commence. So yeah, that is what I have on here. Let me check the 90 minutes here. 30 minute. So on the 30 minute, you can kind of see the RSI diverging a little bit bearish here. Not completely or anything like that, but it's definitely going a little bit, right? 15 minute, same thing, right? Let me just throw the MACD on here once more. So guys, you go to indicates, you can throw the MACD on yourself as well. I do think we could get a pop here because the 15 minute wants to pop. So that is what I'm looking at here. 30 minute, 90 minute. So this one also wants to cross down. But yeah, probably it's gonna pop first. Maybe it's popping all the way up here again for a test and then go down. That is what I'm personally looking at. I'm not short yet. I'm just waiting patiently. I'm very patient, guys. That's what most of you guys know about me. I'm a very patient trader, and that's what you need in order to succeed. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much what I have for you guys on Bitcoin for today. You know, as long as we don't, if we do break above the 21 EMA on the 4 hour and we close above it, then I'll be bullish for the short term, all the way up to 6.8 or so. Okay, but for now, I'm obviously not bullish about it because we are under all EMAs except for the very fast one, the 8 EMA, which is kind of like whatever, right? So yeah, that's what I have for you guys. Okay. Also, if you're not in the Telegram group yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog where you can ask me any questions, ask other people questions. It's just a great chat box to be in, right? Let's see what's going on here. What do you think of a tower bottom confirmation? That no such thing exists. So yeah, that is just a meme. All right, that is not an official pattern. If it's not an official pattern, I don't care about it, guys. All right, the only patterns I really care about are obviously triangles, ascending triangles, descending triangles, and then, well, I do look at the memes, right? I do look at the head and shoulder meme, but it's definitely not a pattern I would like put a lot of weight on, or the what is it, cup and handle meme. But you know, people make up new patterns every day, right? So yeah, but they're definitely not proven. So just keep that in mind, alright, guys? If you want the most proven patterns, then I suggest you guys look into harmonic patterns, but they need to have a certain profile to it, right? A certain Fibonacci level that needs to be met every time again. For example, the Gartleys and, you know, the butterflies, etc. You can look them up in the crabs, but that is very, like, I'd say pinpoint trading, but they need to be pinpoint as well in order for them to succeed. So it's definitely not easy, and if you want to just keep it simple for yourself, you know, just kind of gauge the market. Alright, just kind of gauge what the trend is. Please trade with the trend, and you'll do much better, alright? Do not try to trade against the trend unless it's at a 618 or approaching close to a 618. You can start building then, you know, and that's kind of how it is. But always, you know, that's just how I do it, alright, guys? Also, if you're not in the CryptoPies feed yet, join up with that as well. I post all my videos there. I post about upcoming ICOs. When I find the ICO, I'll tell you guys about it, to whitelist for it, so you're ready for the sale. But at the moment, I wouldn't suggest going into any ICOs because Ethereum and Neo are low price, and that means it's just you will get less money worth for, you know, like the amount you go in with, right? So that is just something you need to keep in mind, guys, because Neo and Ethereum can easily go up from here. And yeah, so I'm not going into ICOs personally, but what I do look for in the ICO is a strong team, low token metrics, so a low market cap, so it's easy to flip. And of course, I look for infrastructure projects such as blockchains and protocols, right? And also, guys, follow me on Twitter, which is twitter.com/Pygoz, and follow me on Twitch, which is twitch.tv/Pygoz. Both telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button, and if you've got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.